Hi, my name is Janelle Matari. I am a born and raised Jersey girl. My pronouns are she and her. Today I'm going to be showing you how I create a look for the holiday that I celebrate, which is called Eid. For those who don't know, Eid is the Muslim holiday. For Eid, we love getting all dressed up, usually in traditional clothing. We go to the mosque in the morning for prayer. And then we just have a big celebration with lots of food, presents, games, activities, just a lot of fun family bonding. So today I'm going to show you what a traditional Eid holiday look looks like for me. So today I'm using the Ion Pro 1 Glide Dryer. So we're going to blow it out a little bit just to get a little bit of the dampness away. Next layer. So now that we're done with our blow dryer, we're gonna go ahead and use the Babyliss Pro Genius Curler. For this one, I'm going to section my hair into 2 parts. And we'll start with the right side. So we're gonna section about 1.5 inches. Just sucks the hair in. I'm gonna go in and spray it really quickly with some flexible hairspray. Favorite brand. And we're just gonna do a light pull. Now we're gonna do the eyeliner. So Arab women, specifically Palestinian women, which is what I am, are famous for the amount of eye makeup that they wear. Most importantly, the eyeliner. There is a very old tradition of applying the eyeliner. It's called kul, is what we call the eyeliner. Usually it's made by older women in the community by burning a white cloth. It has to be pure cloth, no synthetic fabrics. We don't want any of that around our eyes. Burning it with some wood chips and then crushing it and turning it into a black powder. Sometimes they'll mix in water, olive oil, make it a little bit more liquid. And then they will apply this black powder called kul all around the eyes. And at one point it was something that they would apply to around the eyes of new babies. They believed that it was used to ward off the evil eye, which is really big in Middle Eastern, Mediterranean cultures. The evil eye is really big for us. So, and then it just became a part of our normal makeup routine. It's something that never really changed. We still do it to this day. Eyeliner gets very heavy when it comes to dressing women up for big events like weddings, baby showers, bridal showers, hennas, anything that's like happy, celebratory. It's again used as a way to keep the evil eye away. I'm a little bit more modern, so I use a liquid eyeliner. I use a felt pen because I feel like I have more control over what I'm drawing. So we're gonna go in and do this. Let's see if I can do this without a mirror. So I start at the corner. Okay. Super quick, but very dramatic. Totally worth it. So I'm really into this duo application. So it's a eyelash gel, or glue, sorry, that is also eyeliner. So when it's wet, it acts as glue for your eyelashes. Got some Ardell lashes here. And then when it dries, it's just regular eyeliner. Last but not least, I know that we did the falsies, but I always like to just go underneath and put some mascara on my regular brows. Again, Ardell, they're like the eyelash king and queen. This is awesome. They tell you there's a separate brush for the bottom and the top lash. And there you have it, guys. Thank you for getting ready for Eid with me. Wishing you a happy holiday, whatever you're celebrating. I hope you feel fantastic getting ready, and I hope you're celebrating you, your culture, your faith, and I hope you have fun doing it.